Right, we're off again this morning. We're using, what is it, View Ranger. An app on the phone to take us for a walk. So look, it tells you where to go. You just follow that red arrow and that blue bit's your route.
We're just going to see if it works, so
yeah, we'll see where it takes us. I think it might be Tarn and Blewith, but I've got that wrong before, so we'll see later. Oh, we're close, but not close enough. That's where we're heading. And we're off up here, aren't we? Off she goes. And got to the tarn. It's probably bigger than we thought it were going to be. It's probably a little bit wetter than we thought it were going to be. We're trying to find a path across here. So this may take some time. We've been plopping through lots of mud. My feet are just feeling, I don't know whether they're just cool because I've been in water or whether they're leaking. And we've got to the end of the tarn now. Houses right in the middle over there, I don't know if they'll be able to see them or not. I think that's where we're staying, and we're just on our way back down now. It's been pretty good, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's been a good walk, hasn't it? Yeah. Bumped into a few people. It's starting to chill off though now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Janice has sorted her hat out.
I thought it felt a bit funny and I kept saying these pom-poms doing something wrong, and it's because I've got the hair in the ponytail and it's lost the band out, and then found the tube with some tablets inside my hat. It's good fun getting older.
George. That's where we're staying. be getting fire running a bit. Is there? Alright. Yeah, that's ours that we brought.